All right, so we're caging this C6 today. We've got a cage kit, matte filled edition, so it's ladder bars and they go all the way into the door panel. We have SEMA in like 3 weeks. We're driving it, actually out front at Optima Unleashed. I was invited by the guys over at Optima and Race Treads. So we're gonna go put on a little show. You'll notice that we got the Strom DSO5s on the car finally. Pretty excited to announce that we're partnering up with those guys for the 2025 season. I think there's going to be a ton of C6 guys on these wheels here shortly, especially once they come stateside. Woo! Nice! Alright, so I finally got this thing, the exhaust all buttoned up. I made the rear section of the exhaust myself. He didn't have any cans for it, and I actually wanted to straight pipe it anyways. So just straight dumps for now. I'll put some tips on it later. As you can see, we got our Morimoto lighting on the back, and these things are sick. Honestly, they're so bright. And then they have a backup light for reverse, and it's just a full whiteout. It's dope. My buddy Justin's been doing all the body work on the car. It looks great. You won't be able to feel it through the wrap. Like he knows what he's doing. He's helped me out so much. Got the headlights on the Morimoto as well up here, and they look sick. They're the C8 style. I'm really excited about them. And we also get a bumper from our buddy Josh Stewart. And honestly, I'm really happy where the car's at. We're going to wrap tomorrow.
He's actually pulling up right now.
What's up?
How you doing, buddy?
Good. Dude, we're at Sticker Status in Boise, Idaho, and we've teamed up with these guys to wrap the vet for SEMA. Let's go check it out. What's up?
Good.
This is Ryan.
How we doing? What's up, guys? Ryan over here at Sticker Status.
I'm excited.
Yeah, we got his Corvette here. Guys are out there scraping the last bit of glue off of it, but
From the ugly old previous pink chrome wrap, you know.
had some troublesome glue left on there. But guys are out in the shop. I'll show you, man.
Let's
They're
check it out.
just about there.
Oh yeah. X gonna give it to you.
Yeah.
You're gonna deliver it to you.
This car's definitely seen better days. It's had a little bit of a life, but it's gonna have a better life now.
I didn't really tell anybody that I was doing this, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm just gonna be like, surprise, like,
Hey, I'm here.
hey, you remember how I said, like, you know, I could drift with the pros and like whatnot? I'm gonna do it right now. Chris Forsberg, Von Gittin, James Dean, my buddy Jonathan Nearin, Seabear.
Which has another vet, right?
Yes, and then Smokey Biker Jose is also gonna have his vet, is my understanding. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
I'm excited. It's gonna be my first outing at SEMA. Kevin's taking me. What a guy.
I'm just always hyping you up, man.
I know.
Taking you to the fun shit.
Trying to get places, but here's his vet. It's looking pretty good. He's just got it up here from Vegas. Got a nice big old X on the hood. That means we're gonna take that off, right? No hood needed. No, we'll keep that on there.
It's kind of ugly under here right now. But Frankenstein actually sent us some of their F-Series billet heads for this thing. It's gonna be dope.
It's got some nice shiny headers there. Those are looking good.
Yeah, that's the concept headers, 8-4-1. This thing sounds ridiculous. Like,
It's a screamer.
It's hard to even describe. It sounds like an exotic now.
Nice. Looks sick, right?
Dude. Yeah, this is nuts.
I think the matte with the chrome looks really good.
That sun lights that chrome up, man.
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, sure. Of course, sure. Dude, this thing looks dope.
I'd have to say, I think it turned out better than I had even thought it would with the renders.
No, this is way better than I thought.
Yeah.
Killed it. Thank you.
Crushed it.
Absolutely.
All right, so here it is, the Vette. All done by Sticker Status. They did a hell of a job. Kevin, he's just putting a few body panels back together. There's a few things that are still loose. He's got to tighten up. I think he's going to take Saturday to take the day and fine tune, button up, finish up what needs to be done. But as far as the wrap goes, I mean, the wrap is looking real good. They killed it. They did a killer job. And then Sunday the car's got to get packed up back on the trailer and taken to SEMA. So Sunday it's got to be there for SEMA, and then Monday the event starts, but Tuesday is when he's going to be starting to drive. So I'm going to fly into Vegas on Tuesday, meet him there, and
My heat waves match the car now.
heat waves are matching the car. Gotta love it. But yeah, this thing is looking awesome.
It's got the expansion pipes on it, so it's real race car shit. So if you go under there, the headers come into 4, and then they have 4 slots that do slip joints. And so the slip joints have to warm up and it seals. And then there's like a sealant in there too. But yeah. All right, we're at Sticker Status here in Boise. This is Ryan, the owner, and they've taken such good care of us in the car. I mean, this thing is absolutely awesome.
We really appreciate you letting us work on the car. We're out here in Boise. We do everything from car wraps to stickers. We do livery designs. We do window tint, paint protection film, signs, all that sort of stuff. Basically anything vinyl. Yeah, www.stickerstatus.com. Make sure to follow us on Instagram and YouTube as well.
Look down in the bio, and they'll have all their links below. If you're in the Pac Northwest area, Boise, Idaho, these are the guys.
Yeah, thank you. And shout out to our team too, Zach, Chris, and Taylor. They all killed it, so.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you to everybody. Appreciate it.
Awesome.